Where?
Right there.
But I can see right through him.
Yup. This is a glass frog. Glass frogs can turn themselves partly see-through when they're resting or hiding from danger. That makes them harder to see.
I see. Kind of.
But glass frogs usually live in the jungle. How'd one get here?
It must have hitched a ride on your backpack when we were in the jungle this morning. Look, he's waking up.
Am I still here in this weird place?
Easy now. You're a long way from home. But if you come with us, we can take you back to the jungle.
Oh, you can? Oh, thank goodness. This place is kind of intense.
Sorry, things are a bit more hectic than usual here today.
Sam! Kit! Are you there?
Cubby, what's the latest on the bots?
Well, the good news is that I'm starting to figure out the StoryBots control program.
And the bad news?
Instead of turning them off, I think I put them into turbo mode!
Turbo mode?
Must clean everything. Clean everything. Must. Clean.
Ah!
Oh no, he turned see-through again. After him.
Must clean everything. Clean.
There he goes.
Clean.
Wait, come back.
Must clean everything.
Whoa.
Must clean everything.
Whoa.
Must clean.
Sam!
Hey! Whoa!
There!
Clean.
Phew. Where'd he go?
Up here. Don't let those things clean me. I'm very fragile.
It's okay. You'll be safe with us.
We'd better get to Ron while the coast is still clear.
Must clean everything.
Uh-oh.
Must clean everything.
Oh no.
More of them? We're surrounded.
I don't want to be cleaned.
Cubby, you've got to do something.
Guys, you won't believe this, but once again, I've got a little bit of good news and...
And some bad news. What is it?
I figured out how to shut down the cleaner bots, but I need a password to do it.
A password?
Yep, I can't turn them off unless I know the Stinkwell's password.
Try Flance or Harold.
Or Whoopsie?
Nope, and nope. We only got one more try.
Must clean everything.
Sorry, they're gonna clean us.
What could the Stinkwell's password be?
Wait, what was that word they kept using in their video about the cleaning?
Oh yeah, it was something like, waterfall?
Or volleyball? Or... Wunderbar! Cubby, the password is...
Wunderbar!
We did it!
It worked!
Wunderbar. What does that mean, anyway?
I think it means wonderful. And you know what else would be wonderful? Going home.
Sounds wunderbar to me.
Bye.
Bye!
See ya!
The glass frog is back where he belongs, and the cleaner bots are under control again.
Another creature case
Closed!